down now!
Top quality commentary.
Oh,
Ben run.
Nope.
No way.
How the
Excuse me.
Ah!
A few moments later.
Oh no!
You're having a bad time, aren't you? So if you do approach me, come from the right-hand side, okay?
Which side, Ben? This side.
The right, no, come from the other side, Ben. You're gonna walk straight into the trap. You freak.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
What is he
He just smacked the rocks. Everything's above. Look at him go.
Oh my god, Ben.
Semi-low mode, honestly. Oh, Ben, what's happened to your neck? What?
What?
Ben, your neck's breaking. What is going on?
Just because she's a mod doesn't mean she has to be sub. My lord.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Stale bread.
Omnibus.
Omnivorous. Omnivorous. Dinosaurivorous.
Does he not realise there's another door? He's right on my tail right now.
Yeah, I'm below you.
I'm just gonna run around and try and find a turret.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I made him fall down. Quick,
Really?
quick. Yeah. He got me,
Just
but he
recover,
fell
Ben.
down.
Just recover.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You got this, Ben. You got this. Be strong. Don't jump down yet. Wait till she goes up the stairs. That's her only way up. She's just trying to bait you. She can't hit you through the fence. Now all you have to do is run for your life. He opened the door. Just keep going right or left. Sorry, I'm back to you gaming. Oh my god. Dead hard when you hear that. Maybe. You got this, you got this? Yes! You got out, right?
Yeah.
Yes!
Get off my friend!
Wiggle.
Nice,
Get off my friend! Heckin' knock him out! Machete his face! Go on, have some of this, you freak!
I just shoved
Whack
a
him.
pocket knife in his face.
Go on, have this!
accidentally.
Take that!
Ben! You're not
Knock
the
him
killer!
out! Knock him! Knock him out!
Wait, I picked up your shank!
Run! Knock him out, Ben, avenge me!
Fuck off! Stop chopping off! This isn't working! He's one hell of a man! Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
so
be
good for
scared,
that.
be scared!